Hello everyone, Whacker here. This is my very first video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you guys enjoy it, because, nothing really happened yet. But today we are playing Breaking Point. Hopefully the audio isn't bad. I recorded, I have to record this whole video over again, because audio was extremely bad. So yeah, that happened. So, Breaking Point is about a game where you all sit in, chairs. Look, a new game is going to start. And one of the game modes is, Duck, Duck, Goose, where all of them go around and you have to, pick one. Another game mode is a random person gets a gun and then they shoot someone. You can either do it in secret or, in just out there, but it, kind of blinds you. And you have to not be shot. And then the last two people will... Ooh, dual vote. Yeah, this one is when you get voted on. So I'm going to vote on this guy. Hang on. Yeah, I'm going to vote on this guy. You point at them. I have no votes, which is good. But, and then they'll both get a knife. See? And then they'll try and fight each other. I'm going to vote on this girl. I'm going to get picked. Oh, no. Yes, good. Okay. Ooh, look at me. Oh, no, I'm gonna pick you. Hi. I say that girl's gonna get picked. She had 3 votes. She's going against the watermelon head. Oof. Oh, I have the same clothes that he's wearing. Oh no, I'm getting picked, definitely. Get wrecked. Let me just go throw out there a big fat XD. I'm getting picked again. Yay, against that girl. Yeah, I thought I swung. Yeah. Yo, I'm playing on mobile and you're telling me I'm winning all these? I should be dead. Seriously, I should be dead. See, there we go. There we go. That's how it should be. Awesome, I got 2 kills. Where's the light? I want to watch the rest of this game. Oh. Yeah, that's pretty much the aim of the game. I don't want any Robux. 0 credits. Didn't I just get 50 plus? Did it not say I got 50 plus? I don't have anything. There's no use of trading. Yeah, that's pretty much the game. Nothing really special. Checking how long we've been recording. Oh, I'm kind of stuck in this loop. Hang on. I couldn't stop walking forwards. But yeah, I'm playing in a while, but my birthday is in March. And that's 2 months from now. And I'm going to be asking for a computer. I don't really know how to record videos on a computer. We'll figure it out when the day comes. And hopefully I'll get more Robux to get rid of this disgusting Minecraft shirt. Just kidding. I kind of like Minecraft. It wasn't that bad. It's pretty much the same as Roblox. Just kind of mixed with a Lego kind of thing. But I got, this is this is a pretty old account. And I made it when I actually liked Minecraft. Really a lot. I really liked Minecraft a lot. Oh, the new one. And you earned 20 credits. What can I buy? And I really liked 100 for respect the vets, respect the vets, respect the vets, respect the vets. Good. Flamingo, lol. And so yeah, I got this shirt when I kind of liked Minecraft a lot. Who did it? Ooh. That song. Yeah, I got picked to the murderer, if you can tell. Yeah, you pretty much... Ooh, that guy's gonna die, even though it was me. Yeah, I picked to be the mirror. And I'm gonna turn this down to make sure the audio doesn't mess up. See? Even though it was me, I killed that guy. Oh, the gun didn't go off. Crap. But I'm doing it in secret. I'm pointing my finger at her. I think it's her. I'm pretty sure she's in there. Smited. Oh, no. She. Him. Dead. You. I like how it says aim your mouse at someone. I don't have a mouse. I have a finger. Okay, I'm killing that turtle-looking dude over there. He's annoying. Dang it. The gun didn't go off. Yes, my bullets are going down. No! Yes! Oh my god. She dead. I'm killing that guy next. That guy right there. Smite it. Sorry I was being silent. I was kind of focusing. I didn't really want to die. And just spat out a big fat GG. Not G to G. You know, that's even better. That's my new slogan. G to G. Beautiful. How long have we been recording? 7 minutes. Alright. I think I'm going to end the video here. Oh. Okay. Oh, this is the Duck Duck Goose thing. Or whatever. Lol. But, hope you guys liked the video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Make sure you like and subscribe. So I can make more awesome videos like this. Let me just do something real quick. Hit him. The slash. You wait. No, wait. Bye.